Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap. I hope you all had a great weekend. AAL was on my main watch list this morning. This was my missed trade of the day. It had gapped up really nicely. It had great volume pre-market and it was moving fairly nicely above the VWAP. And I was watching it, but completely missed the trade. I would have taken this as a 5-minute ABCD pattern and a 15-minute opening range breakup. I love this first 15-minute candle, how it had a large wick to the bottom side. It's a strong candle. It closed above the VWAP. It came and pulled back, tested the VWAP, and tested this pre-market high and just took off. It also had an engulfing 5-minute candle, and it consolidated really nicely, and it would have been a really nice long and fit my trade book perfectly, but I missed it. I did, however, catch a nice trade on Boeing. Boeing was also on my main watch list this morning. It had gapped down, but it was trading above the VWAP pre-market. And while the volume wasn't as great as some of the other stocks in play, I have traded Boeing in the past, and I really love to trade it when there is a catalyst. And so it opened, and on Boeing, I definitely wait. I do not trade Boeing in the first 5 minutes because it can have some really wild moves at the open. So I let it calm down before I decided to take a trade on it. It had this doji in the first 5 minutes, and then I sat and waited for it to, like I said, calm down. After the first 15-minute candle closed, it was a really nice first 15-minute candle. It was strong. It started below the VWAP, ended above. The wicks weren't too large. It was an ABCD pattern on the 5-minute chart and the 15-minute. And after the first 15-minute candle close, it pulled back and tested the VWAP, and I took a position long. And then once it pushed up through the previous day high, I added to my position. And then I took a 25% partial at the high of the day, another 25% above 216. There was a really large ask at 216, and it was a whole dollar amount. So I decided to take another 25% of my remaining position there. And then once again, 217, whole dollar amount. And then this daily level, these two, I took 50% of my remaining position. And then there were huge asks sitting right at 220, and quite a bit of volume came in at that 220 mark. So I took another 50% of my remaining position. And then I had very little amount left to see if it was going to go to this other daily level that I have marked, and this the 221.50 level. It never reached it, but it did come down and stop me out below the VWAP later in the day. I set a range order. As you can see right here, it came down below the VWAP and stopped me out. So I had a one and done day on BA. And one more thing, when I entered the position, my original stop loss was below the VWAP. And when I added to my position, I doubled my position and moved my stop at the low of the previous 5-minute candle. I hope you all found the video helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.